In last session, we saw how to install JDK. In this session, we are going to see how to install SonarQube. So for installation of SonarQube, just go to SonarQube website, and there are two editions are there. One is the community and another one is the developer edition. Basically, the developer edition is the paid one, so we will be using the community edition for this session. As I already downloaded this community edition, I will be skipping this downloading process. Once download is completed, so just extract this file and keep in some folder. So I have kept in the C folder. So just go to your SonarQube, and under this I have this folder. Then inside this bin there is a Windows x66 x86 64. Then we need to run this start sonar.batch file. So for running this, just copy this path, just go to command prompt, then just go to that path, clear the screen. Now just run this sonar start batch file. So start sonar bat. So before running this, you should make sure that you should install the JDK proper version. If it is JDK 8 or lower version, it will give some exception. So for latest versions of Sonar, we should use JDK 11 or more the higher versions. So just now I'm going to start this Sonar now. So now it is running. Just wait for some time. It will run. Yeah, now we can see this SonarQube base app. So once the SonarQube base app, just go to your web browser and just type uh, localhost 909000. This should bring that SonarQube web URL. So it is loading now. Yeah, just go to your login. Just enter the username is admin and password is admin. Just login. Yeah, it's now it's up and running. So uh, this is the installation of SonarQube. Thanks.